Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Thursday, April 30th, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets closed mixed, with the Dow declining while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq stayed largely flat, as investors reacted to the Federal Reserve holding rates steady but signaling persistent inflation concerns. Rising oil prices and higher bond yields kept sentiment cautious, while optimism around upcoming big tech earnings provided some support. Asian markets are trading mixed, with weakness in the Nikkei 225 and Hang Seng offset by strength in the Kospi driven by tech stocks. Overall sentiment remains cautious due to rising oil prices and global yields, indicating a muted start for Indian markets. GIFT Nifty Futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 24,115, thereby indicating a flat to negative opening for the Indian markets today. Crude prices remain elevated near multi-year highs, driven by supply concerns and geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. The sharp rally continues to raise inflation risks and keep global sentiment cautious. Gold has rebounded modestly, supported by a softer U.S. dollar and safe haven demand amid uncertainty. However, gains remain limited due to elevated bond yields. Bajaj Finance reported a strong Q4 with profit rising 22% year-over-year to 5,553 crore rupees, while net interest income grew 20% year-over-year. The company also plans to significantly increase its borrowing limit to 5.5 lakh crore rupees to support future growth. Brigade Enterprises has partnered with Bain Capital to develop a 2,200 crore rupees premium mixed-use project in Whitefield, Bengaluru. The 2 million square feet project will be executed through a 50-50 joint venture on an 11-acre land parcel. Adani Power posted a strong Q4 performance with net profits surging 52% year-over-year to 4,017 crore rupees. The growth was driven by improved operational performance and higher power demand. Due to the spike seen in crude oil prices coupled with the mixed to cautious sentiment being witnessed in the Asian markets, Nifty is expected to open in the red today. Supports for the index will be at 24,100, followed by 23,940, while resistances will be at 24,285, followed by 24,460. Exit polls for some states will be announced today, which may affect trading, however. A negative bias with an open near or below the support may be expected in early trading. Elevated crude oil prices, ongoing Middle East tensions, FII outflows, and a weakening rupee are collectively raising inflation risks, pressuring macros, and weighing on overall market sentiment. Strong Q4 earnings, continued domestic institutional buying, and any potential cooling in crude oil prices or easing geopolitical tensions could support and stabilize the markets. Yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 2,262 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 2,468 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on April 30th, 2026. And before we sign off, we would like to let you know that a free webinar with the topic Profit Booking Tricks, Moving Average for Profit in Option Trading will be conducted this Saturday at 12 p.m. Do check the description for the webinar link. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for stock market related updates. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.